Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we've got a little package from Vinted. Yes, I saw this on Vinted and I've never seen this thing before, not even in shops, so I'm quite curious as to how it's going to turn out. And it's a little ghost item, so I saw it and I thought, oh, I'm going to have that and do it for Halloween. So inside here, the lady only had every as an option, which I was happy with because my post office allows you to have every. Yeah, and really looking forward to this. And I sent her an offer because I thought for this item it looked a bit too expensive, the price she was quoting it. And I sent her an offer and she very kindly accepted it. So I was like, wow. And as soon as I paid, it was posted the same day. It was really quick service. So yeah, very happy with this. Lovely and protected with bubble wrap, as you can see. And as you can see, the orange and the purple Halloween colours there. I'm cutting very carefully because I want to try and save this. As a seller myself on Vinted, I always keep the bubble wrap if it comes. I don't keep mailing bags because I buy them in bulk. But anyway, if I can salvage some of this will be great, because you never know when you might need some bubble wrap. And they're also great for wrapping up like you completed, like for example, acrylic sort of canvases. You know, if you're packing them away each year after the Halloween theme or the fall theme, autumn theme, you know, if they're really fragile, it's good to pack them up with. Because I don't keep boxes, they take up far too much room keeping cardboard boxes. So, oh wow, look at this. Oh, there's loads of bubble wrap. Oh, I'm going to keep that, fantastic. So as you can see, this is a little Halloween object. So this is really cool. So as you can see, this is decorate and create a sparkly light diamond light set. Now this says 3+ on it, okay, so you might not be able to comment on this video because obviously YouTube have this thing where if it looks like a kid's item, they will turn the comments off. I wouldn't say this is a kid's item, but you know, I'll let YouTube decide because I'm not entirely sure on that. But yeah, and what I'm really intrigued in is this black tray. I've never ever had a black tray before, so this is going to be fantastic. So I was not sure whether it was one of them things you had to put the glue on and then put the thing onto it, but I think it's like a self-adhesive film and then you put the stuff onto it and it's got lights. So hopefully, I don't know if we've got right batteries to it. I don't know how big it is, but I reckon it's going to be probably the size of this box. But yeah, so I've seen a couple of these on Vinted and luckily I managed to get one. Oh my god, wow. Yeah, this is massive. Look at that. Okay. Right, okay, cool. So why is there like orange details? Yeah, this is a peel up film, as you can see. Do these come off? Don't know, but oh, we got batteries. Yeah, there's no batteries in there. What? Let's get. Where's my wow stick? See if we can get these off a minute. Just wanna. Yeah, let's just take this out and see what they've got. 3, 2, 1, and suction. Whoops, wrong way. And suction. Oh. Oh. Why is it not? Ah, you know why? Hang on. That's got enough battery in it, but as you can see, I think it's running out. It tends to do that when it runs out, but that's fine. Let me just pop that back in. That should undo that, so I'm not understanding that. Let's get our PH0 screwdriver and unscrew this and see what batteries we've got. If it's AAA's, I can do that because I've got oh blimey, this is oh, it's on one of them. Sometimes these come with little pins. Yeah, these are AA's, so just bear with me and I'll go and grab them because I did find some. So I'll go and grab them now. Okay, So let's put the batteries in. Now, she did say this was new, but it looks fairly sort of used to me. I mean, you can see there's like scratch marks on here, so I don't know about this. I've got a feeling this ain't gonna work, so just put it on, switch it on, and oh, I say, oh wow. Okay, so yeah, they're not bright white lights, which is what I thought it would have been, but I suppose obviously they're gonna give it like a tinge of yellow in there because Halloween and all that. But the good news is it does work, so that's fantastic. Now, just before we carry on, Sharon Wildboar, we've got a problem. Oh, how am I going to get that out? Because this is one of them ones that it's locked in here. Normally these would just pop off, but yeah, this is one of them ones that are hooked in. Now, Sharon, we've got a slight problem, lovey. Unfortunately, this has got a technical problem. You remember this Hoover? These batteries work, as you've just seen in that Ghost. But for some reason, this is not working. Okay, they're both down, as you can see. When I put it on... hang on a minute, where's the... Yeah, as you can see, that says on, and then that says off. If I switch it that way, it's not coming on. Okay, if I switch it on the other way, yeah, if I switch it right to the other end, it's not coming on either, and that does say on. So I think this is broke. I could open it up to see what's happening. It's obviously a loose connection somewhere. The problem we've got is it's not working, so I might have to dispose of this. If you want this back, let me know, but it's just not doing anything. I can see there's a... Why is that coming off? Wow, okay. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to come off, but yeah, for some reason it's not, I just can't get any power to it. So let me just, yeah, that's not doing nothing. So unfortunately, Sharon, I'm not going to be able to use this, which is such a shame. But just let me know in the comments if you want me to dispose, or I'll send this back to you. It's not a problem, but yeah, that's dead at the moment. So yeah, so we know the batteries are working on this, so let's just screw this up a minute. Wow. And what's nice as well is, look at that, there's a little wall hanger, so you can hang it on the wall. Now, as I said, as I thought it might have been, you peel this up. That's a bit naughty because, as you can see, you can't pull this up. You've really got to yank it to get it over the top of that. But the stick, yeah, the stick's pretty good. I will probably cut around this. I mean, I can see this being done in one session, but yeah, so unfortunately, these don't appear to come off, which is a shame, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, happy with that. It's all working tickety-boo. Now let's get into that gorgeous, oh my God, look at that, silver wax. Oh my God, wow. I don't think I've ever, oh, it's very Halloween vibe, isn't it? Look, you've got the orange pen, you've got the black tray. Oh my God, this is stunning. Look at that. I've been painting for near enough, how long now? 2 years, and I've never ever had a black tray. Wow. Because the thing is, I don't like to buy them because that's cheating. If you buy them on Temu, you're cheating. The idea is you've got to wait for them to crop up in a kit. And oh my God, like, that's either silver or white, but oh my God, wow, that is stunning. I love, because that is going to be my Halloween pen as well, with that orange diamond painting pen I've got. But a black tray, oh my God, that's going to be incredibly difficult when you've got black jewels. Obviously you probably wouldn't put black jewels in here, but when you have, it's going to be quite hard to see them. But oh my God, a black tray, that is just, oh my God, wow, just wow, fantastic. Yeah, I'm loving this little item. This is fantastic. Yeah, and it makes such a change than having like a canvas all the time. Now, I nearly thought she didn't include the drills, but they are here. And obviously in here you've got also a, it's a little instruction booklet here. So That's, oh, look at that. You could cut that out, put that on the wall, and put that probably next to it or something. But that's how it's going to turn out. What a lovely little item. Look at that. Oh, that's stunning. I really like this. Cool. So yeah, and then obviously these are going to be really big jewels. So you've got literally 2 packs. Silver, and then obviously the black as well. So the black is going to be obviously for your eye, and then the silver for all round here. But oh my god, what a stunning little object. See, we're getting new and new ornaments for Halloween. But yeah, fantastic. Absolutely stunning. But I think I'm in love with this black tray. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I think these colours are very, very Halloween vibe, aren't they? Your blacks, your oranges, your purples, they're sort of your Halloween colours. But oh my god, what a lovely little kit. So this will be coming up throughout Halloween. Thank you very much for watching. I can't give you the link because I don't know where this originated from, because I bought it on Vinted, but it does look like there's a website here called Sambro, www.sambro.com. That could be the manufacturer or the people that make it, or it could be a website where you can get them from. But as I said, your best option's probably Vinted, slight chance maybe on eBay, but I think that's just stunning. I really like it. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm going to get that released now for the buyer, sorry, for the seller, because I need to get that released for them. And I will see you very soon for well, the first session of this, and I think it'd be the only session because this is going to be so quick to do. But yeah, wow, absolutely love it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.